Hello and welcome to my course on Python GUI Masterclass with Tkinter, where we are going to make 20 applications and 5 games. My name is Rohit and I'll be your instructor for this course. By the end of this course, you'll be able to make GUI applications and games using Tkinter. First, let's understand why to learn making GUI with Tkinter. So if you can see this graph, Python is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is being used for mostly all sort of stuff, and making GUI with Tkinter is super easy. I'll start by showing you how to use Tkinter widgets. We're going to learn all the Tkinter widgets that Tkinter offers us. Not only that, but you will also learn about handling keyboard and mouse event in your Tkinter application. Additionally, you will also learn how to make a simple 2D animation using Tkinter's canvas widget. Then we'll jump to make the actual application in Tkinter. We'll start with the basics. In that we are going to learn how we can make digital clock and color picker in Python. And then we will make a simple application. With the help of that, we can do zip and unzip. And after that, we are going to make the applications which we use in our day-to-day life, such as text reader, PDF reader, and a text-to-speech converter. And then we will switch to multimedia, where we are going to learn how to make image viewer, audio player, and a video player. We are also going to do some sort of web scraping, means we'll just try to get the live data from the internet. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you don't need to worry. Here are some of the Python games that I will be showing you how to make in this particular course. If you can see, there are total 5 games. I'll keep on adding the new as the course progresses. This course is more suitable for a Python GUI developer or anyone who just want to learn making GUI. Feel free to take a look at the course curriculum and other previous videos. So if you can see here, there is total 20 applications are there, and also there are 5 games I have included in this course. We are going to learn all of this inside this course. Learn making GUI with Tkinter and take your Python skills to the next level. Enroll now and I'll see you inside the course.